Hi there, thanks for joining me. So you've made the decision to move to Repricer.com and want to take your min-maxes with you. Well, it's great to have you on board. In this video, we're going to show you how you can take your min-maxes from your existing provider and bring them over into Repricer. The first thing you need to do is get your existing min-max prices from your provider. You should be able to download these from within your existing tool. In order to make this process easier for you, please do one marketplace at a time. Once you've got these downloaded, we're going to start the Repricer side of the process by downloading a template. Go to Imports on the left-hand side of your screen. At this point, if you were importing Amazon min-maxes, you'd click on the template button here. However, in this video, we're focused on the eBay import process, so we're going to go to the eBay tab and click the same Download Template button. We do have a separate video on the Amazon process if you would like to learn more about it. Here we are on our eBay import file. For this process, we don't need every column that's listed, so we're going to delete any columns that we don't need. With that in mind, I want you to go ahead and delete the My Price, Quantity, Title, eBay Item ID, Shipping Cost, and Rule columns. You can keep the rule column if you have an eBay rule you'd like to import. Please note, if you are importing an eBay rule, please ensure that a rule has already been created in Repricer with the same name. Whenever you download a template, it will have automatically pulled all of your products down. We're not going to need to use these as we're pulling in this data from your existing provider. So go ahead and delete all the products from this file. Now let's go over to our existing provider's file. The first thing we need to do is ensure that the file is filtered only to the marketplace we're going to import. For this example, we're only going to import eBay UK products. If the file has products that are not just eBay UK, you need to filter them down to just eBay UK products. At this point, grab all of the SKUs, copy, and paste them into our new file. Then we're going to do the same for the min and the max prices. Simply copy and paste. With this done, we've only two more fields to do. First, we have Marketplace. Marketplace is simply an indicator of which eBay marketplace your product is listed on. For my example, it is eBay UK, so I'm going to enter eBay_UK. I've displayed on screen a list of all the different names you'd use for the different eBay marketplaces. The second field, Store, is very simple. You simply need to enter your eBay username. If you're unsure what your eBay username is, visit the channel screen in Repricer and you'll see it there on the main table. Now the final thing we're going to do to complete our file is we're going to reformat our SKU field. We reformat the field to avoid the potential of an issue that occurs in some spreadsheet programs, which will cause your SKU to become corrupted. This is easily done. Simply select the SKU field, right-click, and go to Format Cells. Go to the Numbers tab, and change the decimal places to 0. Then save. With that done, we can now save our file and import it back into Repricer. Back in Repricer, simply click here to import your file. If there are any issues with your file, we'll display an error message on screen. If you've only a few hundred or few thousand products, your file will process almost immediately. However, if you have more SKUs, it might take a little bit longer. You can keep track of the progress of your file by going to the Recent Imports tab. And it's really that simple to move your min-maxes into Repricer. If you do need any help or assistance with the process, our support team or onboarding specialist will be more than happy to help. Simply reach out. If you'd like to learn a bit more about what Repricer has to offer, simply explore the channel where we have dozens of other videos that can help. If you haven't yet started your free trial, we offer one free for 14 days, no credit card required. Or book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.